Hey guys, I'm showing you this Poetic iPhone 12 mini case. So let's open and show the unboxing first. So this is a very protective and the good option case. You can see there are two options. Is a metallic shade in the back with the blue color, and just open this. So this also have the option to use it without the screen protector insert. So as you can see it here, that so one insert is with the screen protector, other is without the screen protector. So if you don't like screen protector, you can choose whatever the way you want. So you have both options. Now just take this out and show you. So this is a screen protector insert here. As you can see, a clear screen protector. Just remove all this protective covering. This is the iPhone 12 mini. So just put it inside. It fits well, and then the silicone and the back hard side will come on the top of the insert. So once this come, it fits well from the corner, and you can see it's all protective from the four corners. No issues with the buttons or the use of any port with this case, and everything is easily accessible. So you can also see here like this charging port and stuff, and this is a dust protector, so you can just close it if you want to remove. So as you can see, camera and everything is all protected. This is a kickstand. You can just put this phone on the kickstand, so if you want to watch a movie or do anything else, and you can just put it there. So the thing is, you should be very careful, like just putting this inside and then this will not come out. You will find a click sound when using the kickstand. So MagSafe case easily able to charge and looks good in the hand, very protective and very nice case.